today, if you look at the majority of the business partner, they have their own core competency product that they are pushing in the market. And you will find that all their sales, the pre-sales, services team, 100% utilize on pushing their own product, that they carry this product for so many years. Right? Now, for me as a district, bringing new technology, I'm going to this business partner, trying to enable them, train them, helping them to sell this product. It has its own challenges, okay? And we learn what will be the best way to do it. That's why, with our model, we have our own direct touch with the end user, okay? Whereby we manage to help the business partner to go and create and generate leads and opportunities, okay, directly from the end user. Because the focus that we have today is an enterprise space. When I say enterprise spaces, we are focusing on the banking, telecom, government, oil and gas. That's the main four area. So with this focus, we manage really to have our own way of doing a direct touch with the end user, generating the opportunity from there, and engaging the partner at very, very early stage with us. Again, this model is very unique, okay, and I remember when I was doing this back 2005, many business partners say, come on, you're a disti, how you are dealing with the customer direct? I say, well, I'm creating for you the demand over there, generating the leads. I will not sell direct at the end of the day, everything will come to the business partner. And we continue doing that. And by generating that business partner management, they recognize that there is a business there. Okay, so they are now willing to invest with us in terms of sales. I'm talking about the first added value that we add. It's the sales added value to the business partner. So if you manage to do that in a good way with the business partner, then the services will follow after that. Now in the services, again, the same challenge. Many business partners, maybe they are not a security-focused business partner, or they don't have the skills on that. So we help by offering pre-sales when it comes to POCs, demos, and all this stuff. So we are always work side to side with the business partner in order to push for that and to complete the POC successfully. And then at a second stage, if it requires professional services, again, the business partner, if he has not done a repeatable business from this specific product, again, he could outsource that professional service for us. Definitely, we prefer the business partner to go and do in order to add value to the customer. But some business partner, again, at the beginning, okay, they don't have the skills. And so we are offering that professional services and training and support. So this is the list of services that we are offering. So it's up to the business partner how he wants it. So we have a business partner who started with us like 4 years ago. They started with only sales engagement, and then they were fulfillment from sales, and they are outsourcing to us everything else. And then this has been changed now. So they are doing sales, pre-sales, services, and support, and we are just helping them in case of they have a bandwidth issues, and we can go on. So really we build the skill set of the business partner from nowhere up to a level where they become completely independent of running that business. There's always a challenge that's what I enjoy, working in this field. If there's no challenge, then it will be very routine work. So the challenge is very, very exciting for us. And we always trying to facilitate and helping the business partner to understand our business model. And many business partners, really, they appreciate the way that we work and the way that we added value for them. But really, to make it easier, so what we have done out of this 18, again, product, we have categorized these, again, into 3 different categories. We call it core product, again, emerging, and growth product. So technically speaking, the core product is where we have what we call low touch type of model. So the business partner really adding the majority of the value of, and this product is a commodity product. It became commodity. So this product, it was a new, we have it for so many years, and it became like a commodities, and it became more volume So it's 100% channel-driven type of product. So we call it a low-touch model in this core product. In emerging, this is a product that we have it for the last like 2-3 years, where we are working side to side with the business partner, helping them to really push this product in the market. So we are sharing the resources together. They could do the sales, we do the pre-sales, all right, in order to make sure that we and still the business partner cannot do it alone. So this type of product, we call it emerging. It's a medium touch type of approach from Starlink. The majority of our focus in the high touch model, it's in the growth product. It's the new product that we bring it to the market. So you will find that the majority of our marketing activities and spending goes into the growth product. This is a new product that we bring it. And in order to move it to the emerging, it will take me at least 18 months in order to convert them to an emerging, and then this will be moved to the core. So we go through this cycle every time. So we have done it, as I told you, 18 times before. So every time we bring something new into the core, then we make it to the emerging till it become a low touch from our side. It become like a volume and the commodities, and that's the traditional of the majority, let me say, of the distributors playing on that commodity business. But the exciting from our side is always going into the growth area, the new technology that we bring in. Personally speaking, really the revenues and top line is not really the key driver for the company. Okay, this could be a good at the beginning, the first few years, but staying on that business for 9 years, and you have achieved what you want to achieve from revenue point of view. So you have to find different challenges in order to be able to address it. So that's where the focus is. We are on track. Every year we set a target for ourselves. For the last, if I recall, for the last 9 years, we never miss our target. Why? Because we are really putting a very reasonable target for the company, and we always overachieve that target. Even for this year and the coming year, the target is already known to the team. We have done our kickoff in January, and we launched the numbers for each countries, and it's something it can be done. Now, what we are focusing is focusing more in the infrastructure of the company and supporting the growth. So we are taking the company from being a Dubai-based company to a regional key distributor player. So we have focused mainly with the infrastructure to support all this regional expansion that we have, especially in a market like in Turkey and South Africa, and the new market that we are entering. So you have to have the right infrastructure for that and the right team to help you. So I'm working with my consultant and the team that was helping me in the management in order really to focus on this. The majority of my time going into the strategy and making sure that we are taking the company into the right direction. There's a huge potential in the market. We have been in the spotlight for a couple of years now, everyone watching what we are doing. And so it become double responsibility from my side is really to continue this success at the personal level and as a career-wise as well. So to be honest, there's no end for this success. We will continue doing the same year by year, and we continue doing something different. As I told you, if we continue focusing on the same thing that we are doing for the last 10 years now, I think we'll definitely reach where you want to be.